Welcome to Spirit Shack. This is our full spectrum converted phone. So basically it is a standard mobile phone, but we replaced the cameras in them with full spectrum cameras. So we buy it in three different options. You can either just have the front camera converted, or just the back camera, or you can have both converted. So it's your choice as to what cameras you have converted. The beauty about it is it's a phone. So whereas with a full spectrum camera, you can just use it as a camera. But with it being a phone, it's also a phone, so you can use it as a phone, use it as a full spectrum camera. Because you can have a SIM card in it, you can actually stream in full spectrum, i.e. to Facebook, to YouTube. So especially if you're a ghost hunter and you upload videos, you can use this to stream in full spectrum. Full spectrum, because it can see infrared, which is night vision. You can also use this for night vision as well. So you just need a night vision light, and obviously it needs to be dark. So you can walk around in pitch black with a night vision light and this, and you can take photos, you can take videos, you can stream. So yeah, it's a really good device to have. So if you want one of these, I'll leave a link in the description, and thanks for watching.